In a sunny little place, Babo builds with gentle grace a tiny glowing forest. Underneath the glass, Moxie rushes in so fast, the little table wobbles past, and one tiny flower falls down in the grass. So take a breath, slow is how we try. One soft touch, gentle as a sigh. Gentle hands, gentle hearts, tiny touches, tiny starts. Slowly, softly, nice and light, we can make the tiny world bright. Moxie makes a little space, Babo breathes and finds his pace. They plant a little flower, watch it shine with light. Pebbles, moss, and lights go in. One small drop makes colors sing. Big hands can be soft and slow, little worlds need time to grow. Gentle hands, gentle hearts, tiny touches, tiny starts. Slowly, softly, nice and light, we can make the time